Have you ever had someone in school or a workplace that just didn't trust you? Well, get ready to change their mind. Scientists say that hugging someone for 20 seconds releases oxytocin, which can make someone trust you more. So go chase down whoever hates you and give them a big old bear hug. Hey, this is Sam on the first episode of Quick and Quirky on Quirky Thoughts. Ever wonder how astronauts scratch their nose in outer space? Well, apart from using their hands, astronauts have a patch of Velcro inside their helmets so they can scratch their nose in space. Who doesn't love lobster night at the local casino? People in the 1800s don't. Being fed lobster was considered cruel and unusual, apparently equivalent to force-feeding people rats. Ever feel tempted by the cute intern in your office? Well, Gandhi is no stranger to temptation. He used to sleep naked next to young Indian girls in order to test his resolve to chastity, a feat equivalent to the Jets winning a Super Bowl. British people love their tea. That's why since 1945, all British tanks have come equipped with tea-making facilities. Ever been sad or depressed? Well, Jello has your back. Jello monitored the ratio of smiley to frowny emoticons on Twitter and released coupons whenever the Twitter sphere was unhappy. Are you one of the people who have a guitar lying around the house, promising yourself to one day learn how to play, but never do? Well, don't feel bad. Leo Fender, the inventor of Fender guitars, never knew how to actually play the guitar. Are you forever alone? Well, don't worry about it. Statistics are on your side. On average, a human being will have sex more than 3,000 times and spend 2 weeks kissing in their lifetime. So go get 'em, Tiger. Have you ever been asked a question where you've had multiple answers to give? For example, your head says one thing and your heart says another? Well, shrimps have no idea how you feel because a shrimp's heart is in their head. Well, it's a good thing your head and heart both agree on what to do next. Like, favorite, share, and sub. Thanks for watching. This has been Quick and Quirky on Quirky Thoughts.